Hey, baby. Well, I know I said I wasn't gonna say baby anymore, but I had to come back. I have to say baby because you the way you were the way you acted at your show today. So it made me think. Okay, baby? Made me think. And like I said, I always say baby. Okay. Too bad. All right. You were laughing. To me, you were laughing. I mean, I saw you laughing in your show. And I feel that you, not that you were laughing at me for being a clown or anything like that. You were laughing for, I felt that you were glad I was there. That's what I felt. Maybe you were glad that I was there. Or maybe you were laughing at, oh, I knew he was going to come back. Because I felt him. You know? That's how I feel. You know? And also, I feel like, yeah, like you knew I was going to come in your show. You were ready for it. That's what I feel. You know? You got me confused. You got me thinking so much. I'm thinking, why is this person keeps having me? Why am I drawn back to you? Are you calling me in? Or that is my imagination? I don't know. I'm just here by myself and I don't know anything. I don't got no answer. You understand? And then this Mona said, oh, I like your earrings and your necklace. What's the name of the gem or something like that, she said. And I talked to her back. I said, Mona, that's a Hope gem, the cousin of the Hope Diamond. You know that little story about the Hope Diamond. I don't know if she was a camouflage troll, because people like to trigger me, and there's certain people. And I know when certain people trigger me, trying to trigger me. You know, they're camouflage in there. Yeah. But, and then you had the other guy. I forget his name. He had a name or something. And he says, oh, I'd like to know about Sagittarius. What's going to happen this month for Sagittarius? I told him, Sagittarius, this month of Sagittarius is going to be betrayed by a female. I think I made you laugh on that one. Because I know you're reading my live chats. You know? That's another one, I don't know. It's in a camouflage or, I don't know. I don't get it. I don't understand. But anyway, I just, my mind just keeps wandering, keeps thinking, keeps trying to figure things out about all this. I keep asking my question, why am I still here? Why am I still here, baby? Why? Because I say, if I get a whole group of people and ask them, and I tell them a little, the little story, isn't it so simple to tell this person just to go away? I think it's much easier to say to go away than for you to say, no, I want you to still stay. Because I have some feelings towards you. That's what I think. Because you talk to everybody. You're not afraid of talking to people. That's part of your career, your purpose, and whatever. You're going to be talking to a lot of people. and you talk to people. So that's what I don't understand. Why can't you just talk to me? That's why tried to pay 2 readings, and it was so simple. It only takes 1 minute for you to tell me, please go on with your life. I have no interest, and you know all the etc. etc. I'm not gonna repeat myself. I mean, it's simple, less than a minute. But because I don't get that, I feel like you still want me here. I ask myself that. This person wants me to still be in her life. That's what I'm thinking. Because I know you didn't cut cords with, you're cutting off, towards me. I know you're cutting this person off. I know you are. But with me, I know you're not cutting me off because I'm still here. If you want to cut me off, you could have simply talked to me or get into that reading, less than a minute, it would have been over with. And that's it. And when you're over with, then of course, I would ask you, attacking me now. I would ask you a personal question. Not totally about you, about me. And that's it. You know what I mean? And that's it. I will turn away. I won't bother you ever again. But you still have me here. And I don't understand. You know? And I'm happy you didn't have a low cleavage this time. Because angels don't dress like that. You want to be taken seriously. You know? But I see you still, that's another thing. You knew I was coming into your show. You knew it. Okay? You knew that. So, I feel like you wore that necklace again. And let me tell you something, baby. I'm not jealous. I'm not jealous. But I feel like you're doing it on purpose. You know? If you have something with this person, from far distance, okay? You could have just let me go already. And I let you go. See, that person is I know what that person is trying to do. You know? But it's you. You're the one. Because I'll give you an example. Okay? I'm going to give you an example. If I'm married to you, okay? If I'm married to you, to my angel, and I cheat on you with this other blonde, curvy woman, I have to say that. So I'm not going to go with a straight. No curves. I got taste, baby. So I cheat on you with this blonde woman, and you find out. Are you going to get mad at her, or are you going to get mad at me? Because a lot of people, I notice a lot of people, they get pissed off at their husband, but they pissed off and they attack the woman. They shouldn't be attacking the woman. It's not her fault. It's my fault for letting her in my life and having something with her. You should get mad at me, not at her. This is what I'm trying to say. It's you letting this happen. Trying to get me a little jealous, trying to get me, I don't know what you're trying to do. So I don't understand. Because me, I'm straightforward. You know what I mean? I don't just linger things on and on and on. I would have told this person way back, listen, I'm not interested in you. I want to be giving gifts, 2 gifts. I keep throwing that out. I want to be putting that orchid. It was the last piece of a puzzle that you brought me in. Telling me, stay, don't go. I know. All this is a purpose, and I don't know what is the purpose. I don't know. Because like I said, any normal person, including me, because I'm normal, I would have told this particular person that liked me, but I didn't like that person. You know, not that I don't like them, but I don't like them as having a relationship or, and all that stuff. I would have told this person already how it is, because I'm like that, you know. So that's what I'm getting. My gears keep rolling and rolling and rolling, and trying to think, why is this person still wants me here? Why is she luring me back? Because that's how I feel. You're luring me back. There's something here. Something in this connection. And it's not my imagination. Because I never had this situation with anybody. And like I said, I don't go with the money. I don't go with the fame. I don't care. Because what I want, what I really, really want, is a person to be in my life, to share things together, to go places together, to eat together, talk together, that's what I want, to share some that love and care, the nourishing. That's what I want, and that's why I came to you since day one. I said, this is the person, But you know what I want. If you know in my heart what I want, why can't you just end things simply? I don't understand. I feel like if this person cannot tell me, is it on the phone or is it on the Zoom again? Because you do Zooming, with people. I'm a person. I'm no clone. I'm no AI. I'm no reptilian. Why? I feel like you got feelings for me. That's how I see it. Hold on. There's a spider here trying to get up here. Hey, get away. Spiders are supposed to be good. I just don't want them in there making a nest and stuff. But anyway, webs. But yeah, that's what I think. Oh wait, I gotta say this. Okay? If I would be giving you a necklace with a gem, first of all, that gem will be sparkling. Okay? That gem has to sparkle for my baby. Okay? It has to be special. That's how I am. Alright? I want to give you this string with a gem that I can't even tell too much the color because it's cloudy. It's a cloudy gem. Okay? That's me. Okay? Let me tell you something. On October, and I will never forget this, in October, when you were in that Patriot show that you gather in California, and I sent you, and I surprised you. Oh yeah, I know I surprised you. But those bouquet of flowers I got you was 3 dozen roses. I didn't care how much it was. 3 dozen roses with a few sunflowers around it. Okay? It cost me more, just that, compared to what you have around your neck. And on top of that, with the delivery came a plant, which was orchid, signifying our our connection. Beautiful plant with the flower, with the orchid. Beautiful. All that in the delivery costs more than what you have around your neck. Because I'm that type of person. And it's not I'm trying to buy you love. It's that I felt like that's what you're worth in my eyes. To show you the love. That, when I send you that, is to show you the love I have for you. I wasn't trying to buy you. Because I already was with you, you know, going back and forth. And I was told by the third reader that you loved, and you were surprised when you saw those roses. Okay, roses with the plant. You were surprised. And I'm glad you were surprised. And that you loved them. Now, I don't know what you did with the flowers of the plant. I don't know. Because you never told me anything. Of course. Huh? That's the type of person I am. Now, I went through hell to send you those flowers, baby. Woo-wee! Woo! I was trying to find out what hotel you were going to be at, and then I thought you were going to be in Arizona, and then I said, well, I'm going to stick to the California one, because you mentioned something about Arizona, but you never went. Even calling hotels, trying to find out a certain person, you know. But the one in California didn't want to tell me a certain person was staying over that hotel. Yeah. But spoke to this flower shop. A Chinese lady. Ooh, she gave me help. She was so much afraid. Oh, but what about if the flowers don't get delivered? Then you probably want your money. I said, I don't care about my money. I don't care if I lose the money. I just want those damn flowers being delivered there. She was giving me such a hard time. Then I paid with PayPal. Everything was fine, dandy. Then when I tell her, oh, I sent it with PayPal. Oh yeah, I see that you sent it already in PayPal. But I forgot what she said. No, because I'm gonna return your money. Like, what? I don't want my money, I said. I want the damn flowers delivered. No matter what. And you know what I was gonna do? For your brother, I was gonna tell the Chinese lady, do me a favor, and I'll pay whatever. Get me those what are those candies that he likes, the corn candy. So I was gonna tell her, buy a bag of corn candy, whatever the hell it is that he likes, so he could get those. But I said, let me stop here, because if she's giving me such a hard time with just the flowers, if I add that, forget about it. I'm gonna blow her mind off. Then she tells me, oh, I return your money. And when she said that, I was like, oh, freaking out. What? You told me to PayPal? Now she wanted another system. I forget the name of it. And I had to call my bank. They say no, because it's going to take whatever. And I had to register, and it'll take, I don't know, 1 or 2 days. I don't know, something like that. I said, I call her back. Listen, I can't do it. Oh, well, everybody does it. I'm trying to explain to her, it's not going to work, because I spoke already to the person in the back. I said, please, let me pay again the flowers through PayPal. I don't care, no matter what, those flowers don't get there or not. I want to pay it and try to do it. And another thing, I went all the way to the highest person, okay, in the hotel. And I spoke to someone in the office of that hotel, where she does, you know, stuff that's going on, and shows and stuff like that are being planned out and stuff. And I explained to her the whole situation, and she says, yes, I'll let you know, I'll email you, and this and that. She said, fine. It was a go. Everything was perfect. It was his plan. She just told me to tell this person, the delivery, not to go to the first floor in the main area where you check in. Don't go there. Go to the second floor. I believe it was the second floor. There's going to be a desk. Go straight there and tell them the situation that you have these flowers delivery to go to a certain person because this certain person is going to get these flowers. What does she do? She goes to the first floor. Luckily, Blank Q, I'm not going to say his name. Blank Q was there. Very nice guy. Helped her out. Oh, yeah, I know this person. Let's say baby. I know baby. Yeah, come with me. Luckily, he was there. If not, when she got there and delivered the flowers, she took pictures and everything and sent it to me to show that those flowers were on the table and everything. And they got delivered. And I have a picture of Blank Q texting you, telling you, and it's so funny. I got a picture of him texting you that the flowers were here for you, were delivered. You see all that stuff. And then later on, the Chinese lady was like, oh, so nice. Oh, I'm sorry that I was this and that, and I gave you a hard time. And yeah, because she saw that I was talking was the truth. I don't understand it. You work as a delivery person in a shop. I don't understand what is so hard about these directions that I was giving her. Probably she thought that if it don't get delivered or something, if something goes wrong, or I don't know, it won't get delivered, and then I want my money, and then there goes the flowers. I don't want the money. I told her I don't want the money. I just want those flowers delivered. And if it can't be delivered, then it can't be delivered. What are you gonna do? But you got it. Yeah. And on December 14, I got something special that I wanted to show you when you come. But it never happened because I thought you were going to come in Christmas time and surprise me or something. But you never did. Then I thought maybe, I don't know, it's up in the air. It's maybe your birthday. Not even that. But what I got you costs more than what you have around your neck too. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. Let me get something because this camera's too high. I can't show you. Wait, hold on. Let me see if it works. I think you can see it there. No, it's because of the sun I can't see, but I don't want to show too much. You know what I mean? Oh. I'm gonna strip in. Don't get too excited, okay? Don't get too excited. I gotta be careful. I don't want to show too much. You want to see the whole thing? You gotta see me, baby. Yeah. Hold on. You see that? Huh? I'm not gonna show the whole thing. I got a tattoo, baby. Yeah, I got a tattoo. And it's your name, baby. I got your name there on the tattoo. And that tattoo costs more than what you got on your neck. I got you there. Permanently. Yes, baby. Because in my heart, I know that we are going to have this union together, this talk together. Yes. If I didn't feel that, I wouldn't have done it. But I felt it. Because I care about it. And I did it in December because let me hurry up and do it in December because baby might come and visit me in Christmas. I'll have to show and surprise her. But I figured let me just show you now, just in case. And show you that, I got something done for you. Because I'm like that. I'm not like these bozos. Okay? So, so that's what it is. Donkey. Oh, you know what I saw today? I believe it's called a Heron. Has a wingspan, really large, wide, big, skinny legs. It's not a crane that you see like a lot in Florida. I believe it's called Heron. And I gotta find out. I'm gonna find out. But just kind of thought about it, and then check it out. What it means spiritual. If that bird is a spiritual bird or something. What the meaning is. A herring. I've been asking the spirit, give me a sign. Give me something. I'm hoping that's the sign. I don't know. It's flying over there by the pine trees over there. I was gonna videotape it, but it's flying too fast, So it gave me a little idea today. I was thinking, it's my mind, my little gears keep, rolling. I hope. Because I said, anyway, let me just say, I was thinking about this, okay? You know that you're going to have your show soon. The next show, right? Because I know you don't have a show tomorrow. So when the next show comes, and you know which one is the next one, right? I'm going to go in your show, like always, in your live show. So I was thinking, if you don't want me in your life anymore, and you want me to go on with my life and forget about you, not bother you anymore, not go into your show anymore, and disappear, what you could do is, you could tell, the Ronnie, the one with the wrench, you could tell Ronnie before the show starts, just listen, Ronnie, when U-turn comes in and says, good morning, baby, or whatever it might be, I usually say. Usually I say good morning, baby. Oh my, good evening, baby. I mean, good evening, baby. I'm going to say good evening, baby. And I'm probably going to say you look beautiful or whatever. I usually do. It's usually y'all. You tell this person, Ronnie, that when you see me writing, to delete me. To delete what I say. I'll see it, delete it. I can see when it's deleted. I'll just disappear there. That means you don't want me in your life anymore. So you don't have to talk to me, to tell me. Make it easy, And if I see, I say, good evening, baby, you look beautiful, and my message is still there, that means you still want me around your life. You want me around your show. You're still pulling me in, and you want me there. And you still want me to do a little show for you. I still bring the little baby, Angel, on the show, and talk to you and stuff like that. Okay? So that means you still want me around, because you care about me. You got feelings for me. And I'm talking about brotherly feelings. I'm talking about feelings. You know what I'm talking about, right? Okay. But if you don't want me around your life no more and get deleted, tell her to delete my message, and then I'll know. Okay. And I'm thinking you might be able to read my deleted messages. I'm not sure. And when I see it deleted, I'll say something else which will be deleted because I'm gonna say goodbye to you, and I won't come back ever in your show. I won't bother you no more. And I know you have no feelings towards me no more. You have feelings probably towards this other person. Okay? Now if that happens, you know you're gonna break my heart, of course. You know? But it is what it is. You know? But if I see my messages not deleted still and I'm still there, then I know your feelings towards me is much more. You still want me there. Okay? You wanna do that? Fair and square. You don't have to talk to me. You know? Alright? I think that's a pretty good idea. Now I'm saying this. I remember when I was talking to you, I remember on Instagram, I told you, what was it I said to you? Something about, I believe it was like, if you care for me or whatever, go like this to your hair so I can know. Or was it that you know that I believe it's because I said, if you read me, I think it was because you read me or because I did a few times, that's why. And you did it twice. But I told you to go like this and you went like that to your hair. I guess to show me you want me there. And you care and you have feelings for me. You know, that's an indication. You know? But now, I don't know. Because of that necklace, I don't know. If you want me still be in your life. But being in your life, knowing that you have more, you have feelings for me, but feelings, I'm talking about feeling as love feelings, you know what I mean? Someone that likes to have something with me in the near future. Okay? But if I say if it's deleted, then you don't want anything else with me no more. Okay? That you want someone else, that person. Simple. You don't even have to talk to me. You want to do that? Alright? I'll see you in the show. The next show. Okay? So I'm going to give it a rest, just like you. You're not going to do any shows tomorrow. So I won't do any shows tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Today is, what's today? I don't even know what day it is. Today's Friday. So tomorrow is Saturday. You're not going to have any show. So, the next show will be. Okay? I hope it goes in my favor. I talk to the spirits. We'll see. We're gonna see Angel. Alright? And whatever outcome it is, any outcome, if it's negative or positive, I'll do a little show. If it's negative, it will be my last little show for you. On behalf of my angel. And if it goes on behalf of, for me, then I'll keep doing little shows towards you. And I'll bring the little baby and everything. Okay? You want to do that? Yeah? It's getting hot. So it's 35 minutes. So I'm gonna cut it right now because it's too long. And my cousin said, text me and said about the, so something towards oh, it's 1 hour and a half. It's a movie. You're gonna put it on Netflix. So he said something like that. Putting a movie on Netflix. You know? He said no. I told him it's a series. You know? This is the ending of the season. Suspenseful. You know? It's drama, suspenseful, I told him. It's cliffhanger. It's a cliffhanger. We'll see the outcome. Right? Right, baby? You got a deal? You see? I have to do a lot of praying. Right? Okay, I'm gonna go, baby.